Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, if you really want to speak in English, then start to your speaking skill. And the question is that ma'am, how to start speaking in English? So start speaking English with your surroundings. I mean to say where you are living. Just observe all the things that is around you. Observe all the activities that is happening around you. So I'm going to give you an example. So I'm standing here on my roof and you can see the weather. So let's talk about 2 or 3 sentences about the weather. Okay, you can see, look at the sky, and yes, you can see the clouds, and yes, it seems like rain will happen, and but it's very humid weather. Okay, so let's talk about, you can see the greenery here. Let's talk about something about the greenery. So here you can see some wattle guards are hanging. Some wattle guards are hanging, and yes, you can see some basil leaf. So these are some basil leaf. This is a rose plant, and yes, there is no flower on the rose plant, and yes, this is hibiscus plant, and yes, there is no hibiscus plant, but you can see chili plant, and yes, you can see the short chili. This is a chili plant. This is sunny plant, and yes, you can see the basil leaf everywhere. Basil wattle guards are hanging there, and if you see that there is a lady's finger plant. So yes, this is a pumpkin guard full, and all the vegetables are there. So yes, in this way you can start your English speaking journey. See whatever around you, all the objects in English. If you don't find object's name in English, then try to search on Google what is saying this thing in English. Okay, and start your English speaking skill. But initially you don't need to go outside and talk to someone in English. First you need to practice in English at home. Okay, if you don't have any partner, don't worry, you have your Android phone. There are so many apps. I have shared with you so many apps in my previous video, like Peer Up, like CV, like English practice speaking apps. So you can find some others apps, and you don't need to give some money for learning this language. You don't need to go somewhere for learning this language. You need to just download all the apps in your mobile phone, and it just need your ID, and yes, you can download and start your English speaking practice. Every apps, there are 2 options, like you can talk to your AI partner, you can talk to your co-learners. So yes, there are some other co-learners like you. They want to enhance their English speaking skill. They want to do conversation, but the same problem they are facing, like they have no one with whom they can practice in English. So yes, you can search some apps, and yes, try to speak in English, try to enhance your English speaking skill, and in this way you can easily improve your speaking skill. First you need to have a desire inside you. Once you have a desire, then you can do whatever you want to achieve. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.